Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Go Get a Girl catch-all, and I thought that I would use Rongrong Self-Love Sticker Book. And if you didn't know, Rongrong did just have her spring release, which includes the Just Bloom, Dog, Rainbow Boxes, and the Bullet Journal Sticker Book. They are all such beautiful stickers, so if you guys want to save money on your order, make sure that you guys use code Stephany10. I will have all of the information linked down in the description box below, along with all of the shops as well. So let's go ahead and take the pages off. I definitely need this sticker book because if you guys saw Wednesday's plan with me, I was mentioning that my daughter was sick, and at this point she has been sick for about a week, but right around 4 o'clock on Wednesday I started to feel bad and I ended up throwing up, and it has been quite the last few days. I mean, Thursday, my kids went to school fine, but after they got home from school around 4 o'clock, all hell broke loose again. And then my husband and both of my older kids got sick and started throwing up themselves. So there's definitely something going around because at this point, all of us in our household are sick and it is not fun, but we're definitely on the mend now, and I am just so happy for that because this has been absolutely miserable and we're just ready to start feeling better. So if anyone is feeling sick, I am sending lots of love your way and prayers, and hopefully you guys start feeling good because this is not fun at all. So that is why I chose Rongrong Self-Love Sticker Book. And even though there's lots of like purples and pinks and super girly stickers in here, I went ahead and picked some of like the earth tone stickers that were in here, and I went ahead and grabbed Rongrong's hands off my sticker album because I just needed to kind of pull some stickers out. So these are the stickers that I want to work with. So lots of earth tones and just like self-care and just neutral vibes. So these are the ones that I went ahead and pulled. And I also have my Zig Clean Color Doll and my new Skinny Grid Washi that my friend Sade from Instagram sent my way. She actually sent a few little goodies my way because we were kind of talking, and I mentioned that I just had like a regular grid washi, which would be this right here, and this skinnier washi is amazing to like cover up these little areas because I was having to like cut this down in half to make it fit here, but she said she had skinnier one and I was all for it. She was kind enough to send these my way, so I'm super grateful and just a big thank you to her because this just worked out amazing without having to cut it. So I'm super happy about that. So yeah, I think where I want to start is this quote right here. Or not even a quote. I think it's just like a list. 5 self-care ideas. Put on a face mask, meditate, journaling, let go of negative energy, and hug your pets. So definitely great reminders because I am just needing all of the self-care right now. So hopefully we are all better by Monday so the kids could go to school. And actually, my third oldest, he had a, what is it? A field trip on Thursday, which he was able to go because he was feeling absolutely fine on Thursday. It wasn't until they got home that they started to feel bad. And actually, when I picked them up, I said, Daddy is now sick, and I bet that you guys are on your way there. So I kind of like, what is it? I kind of, oh my gosh, it kind of just slipped my mind. Oh wow. I can't think of it, but if I think of it, I'll be sure to let you know. I am still recovering, as you can tell. But yeah, I went ahead and told them that it was a possibility that they could start feeling bad as well. And oh, I kind of jinxed it. That's the word I was looking for. So I feel like I kind of jinxed it, but at the same time, I was giving them a heads up as to what was to come. So yeah, now we have a household full of sick people. All 6 of us are sick. So it is just the worst. But I've kind of been avoiding it for a while now. They have been getting sick on and off since winter started, and I've been able to avoid it and not get sick. So I guess my time was up and wasn't that lucky this time around. Okay, so let's see. So here we go. This is already looking really, really good. So now let's see. I don't know what I want to do here. So I don't know if I want to do maybe this one, because I kind of feel like it's the same thing as this. And then I do have like these towels and the candle and these little bottles that I could also use. I don't know what would be good. Let's go ahead and grab this because I think that I definitely want to use this. And this would actually be the perfect place because it's kind of a big sticker. And I think that this would fill up the area really well. Okay, yeah, there we go. So we just have a little bit over here. Okay, great. That looks really good. So then as far as like the towels and the bottles, let's see. Okay, I don't want to do that there. Yeah, so I think I want to do these here. I am looking at this towel, and maybe I could do something like this. Maybe like this. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna lay this down first. Maybe the towels could go here. Okay, perfect. So, okay, so these bottles are individual. I thought that they would be like clustered together, but they're not. So what I think I want to do is maybe place them. So I was going to do it here. I just feel like this is a lot of brown going on already. So I might have to break it up with either like the towel or the candle. So what about if I do something like this? Okay. And then maybe I could do the towel. Okay, so maybe I could do the towel here with these bottles. And maybe I could even add one over here. Okay, I don't know how this towel goes. So maybe like this, right? And then okay. So I think that I want to use this maybe like super undecisive today. As you can tell, these are kind of big bottles. Okay, so maybe that one there, and let's grab the one with the flower and kind of do something like this. And do we want to do this third one? We might just end up doing this third one too. Okay, maybe something like stacked like this. Okay, so yeah, Yep, that looks really good. So that was all the stickers that I went ahead and pulled. I might go back, but for now, let's go ahead and add the script stickers and see how we feel about it. And then we are going to add also like the bullet points. That way we can see how it's like almost coming together. So no workout because that is not even a thing right now. So then the to-do would go up here. I feel like I need a sticker up here, but I don't know that there was any. Maybe I could have used one of the bottles. I don't know. I may end up switching that. But like I said, I want to see how everything looks almost complete. So that's why I like adding my script stickers and the bullet points, because I just feel like it almost completes the spread to the point where I'm like, okay, so now I can see how it is coming along. So what can I do now? So there's Apple Watch and water intake. So this would go down here. And then this would go right here. So here is my bullet points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for Saturday and Sunday. Oh, I forgot it to do right here. Not a problem. Okay, so there we go. So I think I want to go back in here and see if I find anything else. And see, I don't think that there is, because I pulled these stickers from right here. And it's like among like lipstick and perfume and eyelashes. And so, yeah, there was like nothing else that I could have added. And see, there's just lots of purples in here. So I don't know, did I want to like, no, because I have 3 headers here. And so that would mean I would need all 3 bottles if I was trying to do that. And then that would be just like a random towel kind of hanging out right there. So I might not have anything to add, which is completely okay. Okay, there we go. I just love like these little clusters. I think they are perfect. So let me just go ahead and add these bullet points. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then over here we'll go 10, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then over here we'll just go maybe up just a little, and then I just kind of like to space them out evenly, so that works. Okay, so let me just double check again, because we have these quotes, but it has like all of this like deco on it, and then this is purple, so is this. So yeah, I think I went ahead and grabbed everything, unless I could do like this little brush. These are brushes as well, and they have those like brown tones. And then I don't think anything else is like brown. Okay, so I think I do want to try to add these little brushes. They are just like on point with the color scheme, so I think they fit in just fine. Okay, so that one there, and then let's go ahead and grab these 2. I actually should have put this one over here. But let's just go ahead and add these ones and see how we feel about it. And I think it's going to be good, so not a problem. And I actually think I hear my daughter waking up now, so it's actually kind of perfect because I am basically done. So now that I see these like this, yeah, I think I'm just going to leave them. I usually add something here, but I think with this little cluster, it looks just fine. I don't mind the towels being alone. I just like having like little clusters. But yeah, I think this is fine. I'm glad I came across those brushes at the last second because they make a difference. And yeah, I think I am all done. So let's go ahead and put this away. Here is Friday and the weekend, so hopefully there's not much going on because we definitely don't have the strength and we're on the mend, so we're getting there but not quite. So I don't know how much of this I am going to fill, but I just think it looks pretty. These were the perfect stickers for this weekend and just to end this misery and just hopefully we start feeling better because this is not fun at all. And if you guys are going through this, I hope that you guys feel better soon as well. So for now, I really love the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.